only am I excited about the writing, the kids are excited about the writing.
I'm a writer because it helps me organize my thoughts.
I'm a writer because I like to write and tell stories about my life.
Beginning, when I started calling them writers, I got a lot of laughs, and they're going, "What are you talking about, Mrs. Fitt?" I go, "Well, you're writers." And when I would continue to refer to them as writers, it was more of, yeah, I'm a writer, and they were okay with it.
Writer doesn't mean that you have a book published in a store or that, you write for a magazine. A writer means you're taking an idea, and we call it like a seed idea, and you're planting that idea and making it grow into a story. And that's what they're doing, and they have a whole collection now in their notebook.
I'm a writer because I like expressing myself with my words about sports or my thoughts on things that's happening.
I enjoy writing about my life stories.
These lessons where you're teaching them to start with their own idea, well, you're learning all the skills behind how do you, have transitions, how do you keep it flowing, how do you have your voice in there. You're doing it with your own writing, so now they're more willing, even in social studies science, to write an essay because they feel more confident.
Writing isn't scary. Writing can be fun. Writing can be therapeutic. Writing can be exciting. And you could get people to really love to write. And that's kind of what's happening right now.